What is a swap in crypto? Let's not waste your time. Swapping crypto basically means you're changing one crypto asset to another asset. If you want to know a bit more, stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today I want to discuss what is a swap. So what is a swap? A swap is when you change a crypto asset to any other cryptocurrency or a fiat currency. You can do this directly via the blockchain. How? Using third parties. Normally people use a swap to save on fees. If you were to use an exchange, for example, they charge their own fees. But using the swap process would use a third party's fee. They do charge their own crypto asset price. However, if you are somebody that holds crypto on just their hardware, a swap may be something that's perfect for you. Why? The whole concept of crypto makes it so you don't even need to have a bank account. Your crypto hardware wallet or your private key can be your bank account. That could be something which you use on a daily basis. There's even technology out there right now. For example, the CL card or the Crypto.com card or the Coinbase card. There's so many cards. MasterCard powers these cards and so does Visa, where you can use your crypto asset directly to make purchases. Therefore, doing a swap on the blockchain is something which will most likely benefit each and every one that has and holds crypto assets. Please do note, I am no legal advisor, no tax advisor, nobody that has and provides any financial advice. I'm just an educator and entertainer, lol. Anyways, so swapping crypto, I've got videos on how you do swaps. Do watch these videos if you ever wanted to perform a swap. Just my personal opinion once again, I would highly recommend using the swap feature, especially if you only do blockchain to blockchain transactions. There's something also called peer-to-peer. I won't get into that in this video. However, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you pop a thumbs up. Comment down below on what your opinion of swaps are, if you even use them, or if you think that they're a good idea. Furthermore, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I've got a lot of people that are watching my videos that don't subscribe. Don't be one of those people, lol. Anyways, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, hi there. You're still here. Wow. You must enjoy watching my videos. Or maybe you're not even subscribed to my channel. Mind blown. That's my mind, lol. Anyways, if you're not, do subscribe to my channel and like my video if you liked it. Hopefully you did, since you're still here. Anyway, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care. Bye bye. I sound a bit robotic.